Python installation can be a little tricky. First, we'll install Python, then Anaconda, and from there launch Jupyter Notebook. To start, go to https://www.python.org, downloads, and download the latest Python application. When the installation pop-up screen appears, check both Use admin privileges and Add Python to Path. Then install now. You should get a pop-up screen confirming that your installation was successful. The second application is Anaconda. Anaconda Python refers to a distribution of the Python programming language that includes a comprehensive set of pre-installed packages and tools. Download the Anaconda distribution. You may be asked to register your account. Add an email that you can retrieve a verification code. Once the download is completed, you can start the installation process. Now that your installation is finished, you can open Anaconda. Go to Search, type Anaconda, and open the application. The Anaconda Navigator portal will open. From there you can launch Jupyter Notebook, which is an interactive computing environment, making it a popular choice among data scientists and researchers for prototyping, analysis, and visualization tasks. Notice that you could also have selected the Jupyter Lab, which is a cloud-based application. We can test Jupyter Notebook by going to the file in the main menu, selecting New, and finally Notebook.